Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your reality TV production company. Manually handling applications and all the updates can be very time-consuming and overwhelming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will allow participants to send their applications and also provide them with updates all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now, if you want to learn how to set up this amazing chatbot, then let me take you towards my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for reality TV production with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the process of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I'm going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Star Trek Studios. Please let us know your role from the options given below." And it has given us 3 options. First is participant, second is crew member, and third is network partner. So let's begin with participant. And it has provided us with participant application form. Please share the following to apply: full name, age, city and state, link to your audition video. So here I'm going to send my response with details. So here I've sent my details and the chatbot responds me with, "Thanks for applying. We have registered your details as full name Priya Mehra, age 27, city and state Jaipur, Rajasthan, audition video, link is this. Our casting team will review your submission. You'll hear from us soon." So I'm going to choose the next option that says crew member, and let's see what our chatbot responds us with. So it says crew schedule portal. Your upcoming schedule, shoot 22nd May, 8 AM, location Film City, Mumbai, call sheet, download this PDF given below. And lastly, I'm going to choose this network partner option, and let's see what our chatbot responds us with. It says, "Welcome network partner. This week's update, episode 7 logged and edited, episode 8 voiceover pending, next delivery 24th May. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So to begin the process of creating this chatbot, we have to visit the Pabbly Chatflow's website. And for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Reality TV Production Company. Now it is more relevant. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start box, under which there is an option to enter keywords. It is used to enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, there is another option that says enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern which can activate the chatbot by any keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific pattern, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template. When we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates from which we can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, now we can start curating our first message. And for that, I'm going to access this text button, and here I'm going to add this welcome message, and it will look like this. Welcome to Star Trek Studios. Here I have added little star signs in the beginning and at the end of the statement, because it will make the text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable and professional. Next, I have added, please let us know your role from the options given below. With the help of this add button, I'm going to add some options. Here I'm adding first option as participant, next option as crew member, and lastly, I'm going to add network partner. Once we are done curating our first message, we will start curating responses for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with participant. So suppose the user wants to apply as a participant. So we are going to send them an application form. And for that, I'm going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here I'm going to take all the details of the participant like this. Participant application form. Please share the following to apply: full name, age, city and state, link to your audition video. And here you can see we have an option to select contact custom field. To select contact custom field, we need to create one first. And for that, save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, go to the settings and then click on this contact custom field. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field, under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. And once you're done creating your contact custom field, then you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any, and lastly I'm going to link this question box to the corresponding quick reply. Once the user or participant responds us with their details, we are going to send them message, and for that I'm going to access the text button again. Here I have added this message and it will look like this. Thanks for applying. We have registered your details as $add. Add was our contact custom field, and this $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual details sent by the user. Our casting team will review your submission. You will hear from us soon. So once we are done curating our first response, we are going to move on to the next. And next one is crew member. So suppose the crew member needs their scheduling updates. So here, with the help of this text button, I'm going to add their scheduling details. And our message will look like this. Crew schedule portal. Your upcoming schedule. Shoot 22nd May, 8 AM. Location Film City, Mumbai. Call sheet, download this PDF, and this is the dummy PDF link. Lastly, we are going to curate a message for network partner. So again, here I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add the updates. Our message will look like this. Welcome network partner. This week's update: Episode 7 logged and edited, Episode 8 voiceover pending, next delivery 24th May. So this is how we create WhatsApp chatbot for reality TV production company. We have created this chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features easily. If you want to create the same, you can do that by following the same procedure as I have shown in this video, and once you're done creating your chatbot, you can save it, and once your flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.